Hi, I'm Alexis Santa Fe. I'm a sales executive at Mirah Property Group. And we are here right now in Bumbang Bay, which is at the south of Lombok Island, which is the location where we're going to be building our luxurious development, Kuara. So it's going to be 8 hectares of land where we're going to be the frontline beach as well as the top of the hill where we're going to be having a spectacular views. With Kuara, our focus was to create a place where you can relax in luxury, in comfort, as well as combining it with the nature. And we have magical experiences such as horse riding, surfing, jungle trekking, among many others for our guests to enjoy. Just steps away from the ocean, we find this beautiful, stunning beachfront area where we're going to be building different villa options. It's so beautiful here that you can just come from sunrise, you can go horse riding, and then you can come back to the resort to have some breakfast, which you can try with our organic food, which we actually grow here on site at the farm. We will have an on-site restaurant and a spa, fully staffed of course, on this location right here. And here towards the left, we will have 2 beach houses. In front of your house will be a private pool and your own sunken fire pit right on the beach. Just steps away from the ocean. What could be better than this? This massive 2-bedroom villa comes with its own sunken fire pit. Inside will be a spacious open plan living room with full kitchen. It will be fully furnished and ready to move in. So we are standing right now 20 meters from the beach on this location where we're going to be building a massive river pool with river properties on the 2 sides right here. Further that direction, we're going to build additional villas. There's going to be a horse stable on that side. We're going to have an organic farm on this side and an animal barn on that side right there, which is going to make this resort something very unique and special. So we are standing right now at the hilltop side of Kuara, where we're going to be building 15 spectacular villas of 1, 2, and 3 bedroom units. And we are going to be building here several facilities, which include yoga studios. There's going to be volleyball courts. There's going to be archery fields. It's this amazing views that we have just right here. Just look at that view. Can you imagine anything else more perfect to end the day with? Sunsets here will be incredible. All our hilltop villas come with a private infinity pool overlooking Bumbang Bay. We will use natural dark wood with accentuated lighting to give you a home away from home. Kuara will offer many life-changing activities. The resort will be fully kitted out with our own equipment and instructors ready to take you on incredible adventures around this beautiful island. Located next to some of the world's best surf spots. Our private boat or jet skis will be able to take you straight from our beach to Gerupuk inside or outside, depending on your surfing abilities. Kuara will have its own horse stables with trained staff to properly look after these beautiful creatures. Lombok has some stunning trails to go horseback. Let me go check out the sites nearby. Let's go take a look. Lombok has been described as Bali 30 years ago. Less people, less traffic, and more focused on sustainability. There are massive luxury developments launching soon in Lombok, setting the island to become Southeast Asia's #1 luxury destination. So we're here at the deer conservation area. It's the only one in Indonesia, so let's go have a look. So guys, here we are 5 minutes from Kuara Resort. It's a secluded beach in a national park where basically no one will ever be able to build. And this is your own private beach right here. Lombok is an island with a rich and authentic culture. The local people are friendly and will always greet you with a smile. 20 minutes from Kuara, there's a traditional village where you can experience the majesty of the Sasak culture. Lombok is undergoing a $3 billion development, which includes a new international street circuit. This street circuit has a capacity of over 160,000 audience members on top of the riders, their racing teams, and paddock members. It is only 10 minutes away from Kuara. As part of the new development, Lombok is expected to have 16,000 new hotel rooms and a new 27-hole golf course. It is already attracting a large number of global luxury hotels and resorts, including Pullman Hotel, Club Med, Royal Tulip, Paramount Hotels, and more. Lombok has been prioritized by the central government for development to boost and meet the tourism sector. We are standing right now at this new highway here, which goes all the way from the airport to Mandalika. In other words, you can get to Kuara Resort through this new main road in just 20 minutes. Lombok's international airport has direct access to international flights. It's only 45 minutes away from Bali. Singapore itself is only 2 hours and 50 minutes away from this beautiful island.